Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to undo in Excel. This is perfect for when you make a mistake and you need to get some data back. I use this all the time because we're all prone to human error. There's actually two ways to undo in Excel. I'm going to show you both ways, and I'm actually going to show you how to do the inverse, the redo. So the first way is with the keyboard and it's the fast way. The second way is with the mouse. And anytime you have to click, it's the slow way. So let's go ahead and indiscriminately delete some important columns of data like profit. No, we don't need the profit column. We don't need the year column. Oh, boss, we do need those columns back. Okay, well, we're going to hold down on Control Z. And it brought back the year column, and I'll repeat that again, and our profit column is back. Oh, boss, you don't need the profit and the year? Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and redo those deletes, and that's with holding down Control and Y. And a second time, that'll redo. Okay, I've got this boss that really just can't make up his mind. So let me show you how to undo with the mouse, and it's a little slower because you have to pick up that mouse, but up here in the top left corner is your undo. So we'll click it once to bring back year, second time to bring back the profit column. All right, we're good to go. And then inversely, here's the redo, that arrow on the right. Hope you enjoyed those quick tips. Two ways to undo in Excel and also redo. So thanks for tuning into the video today. My name is Chris Waldall. I'm a certified IT professional with over 20 years experience. If you got some value, please subscribe to the channel because there's more videos just like this. Have a great day.